toilets again today. This valve is sticking like it'll flush sometime, but then the water won't come out. It will, it won't. I'm just gonna replace this part right here. So normally they sell these at Walmart even. So I'm just gonna get another one of these and hook it up, and then hopefully I'll be done. First thing is you want to turn off the water. Flush the toilet. Alright, toilet's flush. Now, there's still a little bit of water in here. That's fine. So I got this bucket to get some of that out. But what I will do is take a cup and get most of this out to where it's just a little bit of water. Placing it with this, and this is a Walmart $10, $9.98. At the bottom, you want to do this. Gonna be a little water. Now, the reason I got the bucket is two reasons. One, a little bit of water comes out of here, but mostly, sometimes these drip. This one doesn't, but I had one that had a pretty bad drip. See, there's a little drip, but not much. So, I put this over here because I'm gonna take that out. Okay, now when I loosen this, it's gonna start leaking water. Pull this out. There it's going to squirt. Get a lot of water. And hold it there. Pull it up. That is the water from the rest of the water from the toilet. And we just drop this new one back in. Just like that. We got that rubber washer come with. That against the bottom is what stops the water from coming out. So put this new one back in. Make sure it's clear, anything. And then how high you want the flush to be is how you adjust this right here. You screw this to how high you want the water to go. So the way it's set up now, you can hand tighten most of this stuff. Okay, so now, wipe this away. And then we go ahead and attach this. Ready. So now we look in here. And I could use the old tube. This comes with a new one. All it is a field tube, but we'll just go ahead and replace it because it looks kind of old. And this is extra long, so we're gonna have to cut this. And we can replace the flapper if we want, but I remember it being something with this flapper that was an issue, but it doesn't leak, so I think it's fine. So I'm not gonna replace that unless I had the actual thing on it, because it seemed like I repaired this before and that was an issue. So this comes out, new one comes in, so the water goes in there, and that looks like that's about that long. These will cut also. Anything to cut will be fine. You don't have to get a massive tool. There you go. This goes on this hole right here. So we just replaced the toilet fill valve, and there should be any leaks. So what you want to do, turn on the water. When I turn on this water, I know this is gonna turn on, but what I'm most concerned with is that I don't see any water down here. That's the most important thing. So you wanna wipe it dry, turn on the water. Check down here. I know that's gonna fill up, but this is the most important area. So we see it filling up now. And the new valve is actually working. So what was happening was the valve was getting stuck in a closed position. So right now it's open. And the way these work is once the water lifts the float, it turns it off. You can adjust this if you want it to run longer or because the water line is there, but we got it a little lower. So we're saving a couple trees. Okay, let's go ahead and flush the toilet and see if it works. Toilet flush. Flapper goes down. Fills up. Fixes noisy running toilets. Boom, she's quiet again. So that's pretty straightforward. Peace.